We're going to make today.
We're gonna make a volcano.
Volcano? What with? What's in there, do you know?
Water and glue.
Yeah, and what else are we making it with? That's the base that we're going to cover.
And this is the dino lamp.
Yeah. And what are we going to put in the water? Glue.
Glue.
Newspaper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Can you get it all in? That's it. Oh, well done. And where does that go now? Yep. Make a vol. Oh, great. Pat it right down. Good job. And then stick them on and pat them right down. That's it. It all sticks. Oh, you're getting the hang of this now. Well done. How much do you think we're going to need to put on? Quite a lot.
No.
I think you're getting it nicely covered. That's it, pat it right down. What colour are you going to paint it in the end?
Yellow.
Yeah? What's in there next?
Paper.
And some, what's the white powder? Flour!
Flower.
Because it wasn't sticking very well and we ran out of glue. So let's have a look at what you've made now. Do you think that mixture will work?
Yeah.
Give it a super fast mix. Super fast mix. Go, go, go! Whoa! Ta-da! Let's have a look. Are you pleased with it?
Yeah.
So what have we got to do now? Wait for it to...
Dry.
And then we can...
Paint it.
Yep. And then we can do our experiment. We're going to do now, make some paint.
Brown.
Yeah. Get some brown to paint your volcano. It's all ready. Well done.
No, yellow.
Yep. Mmm. Oh, nice. And then get to give it a really good mix.
How can I do that?
Where's your paintbrush? Got it?
Yes.
Yep. Mix it all up. Do you want a good colour?
Yeah. It's
That's it.
brown. It's turning
Oh, yeah?
brown.
Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. And now you can paint your volcano. Has it all dried?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's looking really good, that, isn't it? Yeah, I think it'll need a lot of paint, won't it? And then we'll have to wait for it to dry, won't we? Are you pleased with the end result? How your volcano's looking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Very good painting.
When it's dried, we can experiment.
Yes, we can. Oh, it's good painting. Whoa.
Paint, 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 paint. Paint, paint. Paint, 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 paint.
Right then, T, our volcano's ready. What have you put in?
Baking soda and yellow.
Yeah, and now you're going to put in...
The vinegar.
Oh, let's see. Is it coming? That's it, you're done. Whoa! You put a lot in there, wow! Can you see it all coming out? Yeah. All down that side. Look at that. Did you put the whole bottle in?
Yeah.
Wow! Can you touch the lava? Oh, that's alright. What does it smell like?
Baking soda.
I think that's vinegar, that one. So around this side, it's all coming down like lava, isn't it? Look at that.
I forgot to put the dinos on.
Oh yeah. Oh look, look. Oh. Have you enjoyed doing that?
Yeah.
Or are you putting more in there? Oh, oh. You're getting the lava on your spoon. Ew.
Yeah.
Are we trying again with dinosaurs now?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Is it coming? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's really yellow, isn't it? Yellow feet.
I'm gonna do it now.
Oh yeah, go on then. Just coming up into your bottle now, look, because you filled it. Too full. Woo! Wow, look at that. Yeah, it's vinegar, isn't it? Whoa. Excited about doing next.
Putting these in.
And where are they going?
In Coke.
And what do you think is going to happen? Like that?
Yeah.
Let's get ready then. Can you open them?
Let's do the red one first.
Okay. Can you open?
I can't.
Let's have a go. Got your safety goggles on? Check. Yep, you know what you're doing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's it doing? Watch it, watch it. Let's go. Ooh, can you see?
What's it doing? They're coming
We
up.
couldn't get the minty ones, could we? We had to use the fruity ones. Is it going to work?
Is it going to work?
Very slowly. Look at all those bubbles. Can you see?
Yeah. Maybe just put another one.
I think you might have to. Ready? Should we put a few in?
Yeah.
Ready? Very slowly, isn't it? Can you see? Where's it all going?
It's coming to you.
Come and have a look. You've got your specs on. Can you see?
Yeah.
Ooh, is it trickling down your feet? Oh. Shall we try again?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's okay? Got it? Another. Keep going. More. Can you see?
Yeah.
I think we need the... Oh, there's so much of it coming out.
It's going even faster.
I know. Right, we're at the shop, so what do we need? What are we getting from the shop?
Soda.
Soda?
Yeah.
Are we? Mentos?
Yeah.
Let's go look. Go left and forward. Keep going forward. Where the sweet is. Next one. If you can see any. I think I've spotted some. Let's see if there's any mint ones left. Oh yeah. I got them. 2 of those in the basket then. Go and find some Coke. Down this way. And you can show everyone what you're doing. Down there, let's see. Can you see that one? Yeah. You get one of those in. Alright. Don't worry about it. Let's help you. Oh, well done. Can you get that in? And we'll show everyone. Right. Sorted?
Yeah.
Let's go. Now we've got different Mentos and we're going to put lots in one go, aren't we? Yeah? Are you ready? Go! Done it? Right, don't tell him what's going to happen though. Quick, quick. Come back here. You've borrowed your... Right, let's wait and see. Right, tell him when to go. Did it get him? Are you okay, Papa?
Yeah, it got me.